Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to ledger create in Tally. Open Tally, navigate to Gateway of Tally, choose Accounts Info, then Ledgers and select Create to begin. Type the ledger name clearly, pick the correct group like Sundry Debtors or Expenses, and set the opening balance if needed. Save the ledger and repeat for additional accounts, keeping names consistent for later reporting and easy reconciliation. Open the Create Ledger screen and focus on accuracy in every field, because details determine your reports. Choose the group that reflects the ledger purpose, such as indirect expenses or fixed assets, and fill GST or inventory options when applicable. Double-check the opening balance and credit or debit nature to avoid mismatches later. Consistent naming helps with search and reconciliation, and it reduces errors when entering vouchers or generating statements. When creating ledgers, small mistakes cause big headaches later, so be deliberate and slow. Always verify the ledger group selection, because misclassification affects profit and loss and balance sheet accuracy. Skip duplicates by searching first and confirm the opening balance and debit or credit sign. If you find errors, edit the ledger immediately rather than adjusting vouchers, which keeps your audit trail clean and your accounts reliable for reporting and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.